السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم مستر محمد مختار، سيرة في كيمستري ستيم قنا. النهاردة هنتكلم عن حاجة اسمها actual and theoretical yields. معناها if I have a chemical action I have actual yields يعني products actual, and I have products according to calculation with stoichiometry. The actual which that I have in actual I call it actual yield, but the product which results from stoichiometry by calculation it is theoretical yield. How I can determine two concepts, or how I can calculate percent yield. Percent yield describe how much products was actually made, and the difference between actual yield and theoretical yield. So I want to calculate the percent of actual yield to have some decision making about the quality of our products. Why actual yield always is less than theoretical yield? Because some reasons, that is sometimes the actors don't always work perfectly, maybe in experimental errors, maybe in errors from the person who act the experiments, maybe a temperature in lab, maybe mating, maybe some loss of materials, okay, some error in calculations, map of amount of reactants. Sometimes many maybe some labor is done. Theoretical yields, this is the definition: maximum amount of products that could be formed from given amount of reactants. We have theoretical yield by stoichiometry, by calculation, based on balanced chemical equation. Okay, actually yields amount of products that we have in fact, okay, in the lab. How we can calculate? We have some example. When copper is heated with an oxide of sulfur, copper sulfide 2 formed. If I have 1.5 gram of copper and I have 1.76 gram of copper sulfate, what's the percent yield? In this case, I need to calculate theoretical yield first, because the 1.5 is actual yield, and I need firstly to balance it equation, for example this. So I need to determine theoretical yield, and finally calculate percent yield by actual yield over theoretical yield times 100. For example, this is a chemical equation which balance it. H2 atom of Cu give us Cu2S, 1.5 gram of copper. What is the source of the yield? This is we need to calculate the amount in chemical equation. 2 times 63. This is molar mass of copper times 2 according to balanced equation. This is molar mass of Cu2S, and we have a cross. Here we have 1.88 gram of theoretical yield. Finally, percent yield actual over theoretical times 100, 1.76 over 1.88 times, this is 93.6%. This is good, or very good percent yield.